Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make croissants with ale. First, combine 500 grams of bread flour, 10 grams of salt, and 60 grams of sugar in a large bowl. In a separate bowl, dissolve 25 grams of fresh yeast into 150 milliliters of ale and 100 milliliters of cold water. Gradually add the liquid mixture to the dry ingredients, mixing until a shaggy dough forms. Cover and chill for 30 minutes. After chilling, lightly knead your dough on a floured surface for about 5 minutes until it becomes smooth and elastic. Form the dough into a neat rectangle. Now, roll out 250 grams of very cold butter into a rectangle approximately 6 by 8 inches. Place the butter in the center of your dough, then fold the dough over to completely enclose the butter. This is your first turn or fold. Now, roll the dough into a long rectangle, roughly 8 by 24 inches. Perform a letter fold by folding 1/3 of the dough over the middle, then folding the remaining third over that. Rotate the dough 90 degrees. Repeat this rolling and folding process 2 more times, chilling the dough for 30 minutes after each fold. This creates the many layers essential for flaky croissants. Finally, roll your laminated dough to about 1/4 inch thick. Cut out triangles with a base of approximately 3.5 inches and a height of 8 inches. Gently stretch each triangle, then roll it tightly from the base to the point to form your croissant shape. Let them proof for about 2 hours until visibly puffy. Bake at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes, or until golden brown.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.